In this video, you'll learn how to send Bitcoin to another wallet using MoonPay. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer your Bitcoin securely and efficiently. To begin, navigate to the MoonPay website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth user experience during the transaction. Upon reaching the MoonPay homepage, you will see various options related to buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the Home button, typically found at the top of the page. This action will refresh your view and present you with the main features available on the platform. After that, select the Buy option. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to access the purchasing features. Once you've clicked on Buy, proceed to select Buy Crypto. This option allows you to choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, in this case, Bitcoin. Following this, click on Buy BTC to specify that you are interested in acquiring Bitcoin. The interface will update to display options specifically related to Bitcoin transactions. Now, click on Select Asset. This option will show you a drop-down menu of available cryptocurrencies. Ensure that Bitcoin is selected as your desired asset. Next, click on Popular Tokens to view the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. This section will help you quickly find Bitcoin among other popular options. After that, click on Bitcoin to select it for your purchase. The screen will refresh to show you the details related to Bitcoin transactions. At this point, type in the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send to another wallet. Be mindful of the current exchange rate, as it can affect the total amount you will spend. Once you have entered the amount, click on Continue with Bitcoin. This action will move you to the next stage of the transaction process. Next, review your order and click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial, as it allows you to double-check the details before finalizing the transaction. After confirming, click on Buy to initiate the purchase of Bitcoin. The system will process your order, which may take a moment depending on network conditions. Once your purchase is confirmed, click on Pay With to select your preferred payment method. Options typically include credit and debit cards or digital wallets. Next, a message will prompt you to choose how to pay. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Following this, click on Apple Pay if that is your chosen payment method. Alternatively, you can select debit card or credit card based on your preference. After selecting your payment method, review the total amount to pay, which will be displayed on the screen. Ensure that this amount is correct before proceeding. Next, click on Deliver to specify where you want the Bitcoin to be sent. This is an essential step, as it determines the destination of your funds. At this point, ensure the wallet you are sending to supports Bitcoin. If not, your funds may be lost. So double check this before continuing. Now click on Enter or paste a wallet address. This field is where you will import the destination wallet address for the Bitcoin transfer. Next, type in the wallet address you want to send Bitcoin to. It is critical to enter this information accurately to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. Finally, click on Pay to complete the transaction. The system will process the payment, and you should receive confirmation of the successful transfer shortly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.